Streamer ka? Naka-stream ka ngayon? Hello po. Wait lang. Wait lang ah. The first time ko kasi makabit ng streamer eh. Sa Twitch ka or Facebook, YouTube?
YouTube.
Gusto mong dagdag sa subscribers? Wag na.
Yes.
So, kamusta ka naman?
Okay lang.
Oh. Lupit mo, cross-drive, gago. Miss, pa-flash ako. Pati na kung mo, sige na. Gago, mukha kang babae, legit. Ayusin mo yung boses mo.
Pa-subscribe.
Hindi. Babae, ayusin mo ba?
Subscribe, please.
Pwede po ba mag-subscribe kayo?
Paano po ba mag-subscribe kayo?
Pasok!
Hi,
Kamusta, kuya?
mabuti.
Di ka ba hinahanap ng asawa mo, kuya?
Naghahanap pa ako pangatlo eh.
Ay. Ganda ng boses mo, brother.
Dora! Ang ganda niyo po.
Salamat, pare.
Uy, streamer ka ba?
Oo, pare.
Uy, streamer!
Follow ka namin, ano stream mo?
Anong page mo? Anong page mo?
Andre Gueta.
Uy, galing!
Ang galing! Ang galing!
You want this one, bro?
How are you? Can you hear me?
Yes.
How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Andre Gueta, my brother.
What just happened?
Hi po.
Hello.
Siguro kumakanta ka, no? Kanta ka nga.
Ooh.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Mas malaki katawan ko sa'yo, brother.
Subukan nga pa. Ano, parinig lang ang boses kahit parang lalaki.
Sabi ko, ooh.
Ano po?
Stand up, pass out,
Hello.
wake up.
Hi. You want to see my body, brother?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Hi, kuya!
Hello po!
Hello, kuya! Pogi.
Aw, aw.
Kamusta kayo dyan, mga brother?
Hello, te! Hello, my God, te! Oh my God, you're so pretty! Like me.
Salamat.
Nakila... Hello, te!
Hello.
Sarap ba na ata na?
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Vlogger ka? Vlogger ka?
YouTuber.
YouTuber? Pa-shout out.
What's your name?
Kisses. Ni Ashley.
Shoutout kay Yeezy and Ashley.
Ano yan?
Shh, bad word. Ano?
Barbie.
Ah, Barbie. Kala ko bading.
Hindi alata.
You have no audio. Andre Gueta.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
You're handsome. Whoa, what are you doing, brother? Whoa, no. Ilabas mo, pare.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Yo! Tagasan ka po?
Tago na. I freaking voice crack. I ruined it. My bad.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Andre Gueta.
Oh, nice.
What are you doing, my brother? Bro doesn't give a flip, man. Jesus Christ.
What just happened?
A few moments later.
Andre Guetta.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I feel bad for him. He's so into it, man. He just wants some company. I feel bad, but anyways, let's move on. Do you want me to stand up? You're glad to see these muscles, my brother.
Gay!
You can stand up too? You want to see my body, man? He's freaking bi? What the frick, man? I've been freaking trolled, man. I got freaking reversed Uno card, man. Okay.
Hello! Kilala ko to.
You know my name?
Yes.
What is it?
Baby.
Baby Uno.
Oh! Sabi na, ito nga yun eh.
Hi, Maria.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? How are you? You're fine? You're doing good?
Are you making fun of me?
No, I'm not.
You're making fun of me, my brother. Stop that.
Oh, my friend. No, my friend. I'm not making fun of you, my friend.
Hello.
Gasa ka.
English, please.
Ha? Hotdog?
Sabi ko English, my brother.
I'll try